Greetings, class, and welcome to Module 3. Now, across Module 3, we do have two discussion boards that run consecutively. So, one discussion board the first week, and then a second discussion board that second week. Now, our focus for Module 3 will be on funding. You will have the opportunity to explore grant funding options, gain insight into grant writing, and develop rationale to substantiate funding for evidence-based programming. So when we look across the resources within Module 3, you will find a number of resources that will lead you to information on return on investment, the use of return on investment as a planning tool and as an evaluation tool. There is information across Module 3 on how to calculate and interpret return on investment. Our focus for our discussion board, our first discussion board across Module 3, will be on AHRQ quality indicators as well as return on investment. Whereas when we move into the discussion board for the second week in Module 3, our focus will be on grant funding sites. You will be asked to explore grant requirements for at least one grant. I want you to begin to consider how one or more of the grants that you have identified across the different sites, how one or more of these grants could improve outcomes related to a current unfunded gap in your practice or your organization. So you will find links to various grants across Module 3. And again, there will also be information relative to return on investment, etc. Both of these topics will be important as we move into Module 4 and as we move toward that third assignment in the course. Please do not hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.